Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix a problem of why you can't see profile views on TikTok. So I also had this problem, but now once I open my TikTok and come to my TikTok profile, and at the top you can see those footstep icon. I click on it, it shows me my profile view. But before this I was not able to see it, but I figured out a way and I'm going to tell you how you guys can solve it. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. After you open your TikTok, what you want to do is first make sure if your profile view is on or not, because sometimes you have turned off your profile view, which causes your profile view to not be shown. So let me show you how you guys can turn it on. After you open TikTok, you want to click on profile at the bottom right and come to your TikTok profile. Now once you're in your TikTok profile, click on the three line at the top right. Once you click on the three line, it's going to show you this. Now from this option, you want to click on the last one where it says settings and privacy. Now once you click on settings and privacy, it's going to bring you over here. And over here, the second option where it says privacy, you want to click on privacy. And over here, scroll a bit down until you see this option called profile views. So it's going to be the second last option. So click on profile views and make sure it's on. If it is off, then you are not going to be able to see a profile view. So most of the time this is the problem. So turn it on and it should be fixed. But in someone's case, if it doesn't show you this option, in some people's TikTok, if profile view option is not being shown, then it's basically because you haven't updated your TikTok. So make sure to update your TikTok, alright? And after updating your TikTok, you should be able to see this profile view icon and it should be fixed. And even after updating your TikTok, if you still don't see it, then just delete your TikTok app and reinstall it again. Sometimes due to a bug as well, it causes this problem. And once you delete and reinstall your app, the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, you can report this problem to TikTok staff as well. How you can do that is click on the three line again at the top and go on settings and privacy. Now, once you're inside settings and privacy, scroll a bit down until you see this option called report a problem. Click on report a problem and inside over here, scroll all the way down until you see this option called submit a report. Click on submit a report and over here you want to write this: I don't have TikTok profile view option, can you help me fix it? And click on submit, and then TikTok staff will view it and they'll fix your problem. That's how you guys can fix you can't see profile views on TikTok. So hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for more future videos just like this.